NCERT 6th class math exercise 3.4 chapter 3rd question number 1st. Find the common factors of 20 and 28 A part and B and C and D part. We have to find the common factors of these numbers. Let's discuss A part 20 and 28. So factors of 20 will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, which are dividing the numbers 20. See, 1 is a factor of every number always. 2 is dividing 20. 4 is also dividing 20. 5 is also divisible of 20. 20 is also divisible by 5. 20 is divisible by 10. 20 is divisible by 20. The number itself and 1 always factor of the number. So factors of 28 you can write. So common factors will be which will be common in both. See, 1 is in both, 2 is also, 4 also. Others are not matching. So means others here 5, so here 7, 10, 14 means no number is same. So common factors 1 to 4. First question B, C, D parts you can try yourself with the same procedure. Question second also you can try yourself with the same procedure as we have discussed question number first. NCERT 6th class exercise 3.4 question number 3rd. Find the first three common multiples of 6 and 8. Firstly we will discuss A part. So we need to write the common multiples. Firstly we will write the multiples of 6. These are the multiples of 6. You can write multiples of 8. Now common multiples of 6 and 8 which are common in both. See, here you can see 24 is common. After that 48 is common, and after that 72 is common. So we have to tell just 3 common multiples. Question 3rd B part you can try yourself with the same procedure as we have done question number 3rd A part. NCERT 6th class maths exercise 3.4 question number 4. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So firstly we will write the multiple of 3 less than 100, then multiple of 4 less than 100. Common multiples of 3 and 4 which are the common numbers in between in both of them. So that will be the common multiples of 3 and 4. See, here you can see the multiples of 3, 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3, 3 ja 9. Likewise we will write all the multiples of 3 less than 100. Same in 4, multiple of 4. Common multiples will be common which is common number in both of them. So this is the question number 4 of exercise 3.4 class 6 NCERT maths. NCERT 6 class math exercise 3.4 question number 5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? So co-prime numbers are those numbers which have common factor just 1. So here first part A part we will discuss. Factors of 18 we will write and factors of 35. So common factor here no number is matching, means no number is common in both of these factors. So common factor is 1. So we can write both numbers 18 and 35 have one common factor, that is 1. So these numbers are co-prime numbers. So question 5th B, C, D, E, F parts you can try yourself with the same procedure as we have discussed A part. Question 5th A part. NCERT 6th class maths exercise 3.4 question number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? So it is said that a number एक number है which is divisible by 5 and 12. So we have to tell one more number with which that number will be divisible. So if a number is divisible by 5 and 12, then that number will also be divisible by their multiplication. So 5 multiply 12 is equal to 60. That number will be divisible by 60 also. NCERT 6th class math exercise 3.4 question number 7. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? Means a number is divisible by 12. So we have to tell then that number will be divisible by its factors also. So factors of 12 we will write here. These we can write in increasing order now. 1, 1 is the factor of every number. 2 6 ja 12, 2 and 6 will be the factor of 12. 3 4 ja 12, 3 and 4 will be the factors of 12. So hence the number also be divisible by 1 2 3 4 6. That only we have to tell. एक नंबर 12 से डिविजिबल है, वन नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 12, देन other numbers tell with that number will be divisible. Which number is divisible by 12, that number will be divisible with other numbers. So other numbers are 1 2 3 4 6. So this is the last question of exercise 3.4.